Medium rare, a rickshaw. So I'm gonna try and keep these tutorials short and sweet, because I'm pretty sure nobody's interested in watching me draw cubes for 2 hours on end. Doing this sculpt, it should take about 20 minutes in total, but I've edited it a bit so you can see how to do it. I will explain some of the stuff I'm doing, and if something is not clear, then just leave a comment in the comment section below. So this will be the undercarriage of the rickshaw with the suspension. Now I'm drawing a plank, which is going to be the basis for the body of the rickshaw. I'm just gonna use it as a building block. First, I make it red, copy it, and then the copy I'm gonna paint in dirty, worn colors. First, the copy I'm gonna make a bit bigger and hide it, and then work on the underlaying layer. It's like worn paint, so it's red paint. So what I do is like I copy it, and then one copy I make ever just slightly larger than the other one using the scale tool. That's an interesting technique because, like, of course you can paint it, but it will never look as good. So it's like bump mapped. So the outer layer being the paint, and then like take like a root shaped brush, and with the root shaped brush I'm actually going to damage the outside, so it's like chipped paint when you do that, and it's a really nice effect. So on custom, it's like, I don't know, I think it was like a tree or something. I turned it into a brush. Now I just like use it as an eraser on the outer layer. And you get this really nice old paint effect. Make a few more planks and arrange them to look more or less like rickshaw. You should be able to kind of see resolutions a bit low. That's medium. The effect you get from the two layers on the wood. Time to make a bit of a roof. Use rain. So just make like a kind of square arch. 3 of them. And new layer. And just like strawberry yellow, and with the move tool, high strength, just pull it over and you get like a really nice cloth effect. Outside the lines, you can just like delete anything that's not supposed to be there. So. But yeah, it's fairly nice wrinkles as well. Let's play a bit with the move tool. Make it look like it's hanging with some weight. So you can see the chip paint effect a bit better. Put it back down so it looks like it's this hanging cloth there, like so. Just move to 80% strength. Clean up a bit. Now gonna stop some handles, because these things are usually hand drawn. Sometimes there's a bicycle in the front, but it's an old-fashioned one. So 2 of these, move to nothing too fancy. So now it's time to add the wheels that we made in the previous tutorial, and change the material properties. So metal is metal, and wood is wood-like.